9 days ago we told you Bitcoin is going to $36,500, and as you can see right now we are here 6.9% higher with 10x leverage. This is 69% profit, and we will be discussing in today's video what will happen next. Are we going for a correction, or are we actually going to continue higher? If you are ready to know what is going to happen next with Bitcoin, sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Simon from MyCryptoParadise, and let's analyze what actually happened with Bitcoin. How is it possible that we have reached this upward movement, and what we can expect next? So as you remember from our video 2 days ago, I think it was this one, I have been sharing with you also this double bottom formation and this resistance, right? So basically the double bottom formation means that we are creating two equal lows, and then the resistance between these two lows with a higher probability gets broken to the upside. I have told you that this is supported also with the funding rates and also with the bearish sentiment around retail. That is why Wells had enough power to really move the price through this resistance. As you can see, let's just remind to ourselves the double bottom formation. It was here, this was the second low, and this was the resistance. This was the resistance line, right? And how is it possible that we have predicted that this move is going to happen? Well, it was because this double bottom formation was really successful. It was supported by our inverse head and shoulders pattern and this bullish pennant formation, plus this extremely powerful support zone which we have been describing as well. So loads of bullish confluences, and that is why we have been able to break this double bottom resistance absolutely easily. As you can see, we have hit our major lower time frame resistance, the last sell target we had for this long signal, which came from in-depth analysis, and as always, as we are trading only with the best risk to reward strategy, as you can see, we have been risking only 1.5% loss, and we have been looking for 6.9% gain, and this is exactly what we have got it. And you always, if you want to be long-term profitable, you always need to place your stop loss as tight as possible. You know, we have been placing the stop loss right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulders pattern. So really amazing risk to reward trade, because we have been targeting the flagpole of the bullish pennant formation. As you know, we have been counting the target, potential target from this flagpole, then we put it here for the breakout, and basically we got this level as a major low time frame resistance, safe level. And with a risk reward strategy like this, you can be long-term profitable. This is exactly what we are doing in Paradise Family VIP. We always entering only the best trades possible with the highest risk to reward strategy, and that is why we can do this profitably for more than 7 years, right? So let's delete this right now, and let's actually take a look at what is happening right now. If you remember from our previous video 2 days ago, we have been also talking about $43,000, right? It was the $43,000 medium time frame resistance, okay? And we have been sharing with you again this bullish pennant formation. We have been talking about the bullish confluences on the medium time frame perspective, and as you can see right now, the bullish pennant formation is already breaking to the upside, and we are very close to $38,000, which, as I have been saying in the previous video, is going to be the level above which there are loads of liquidation levels of the short orders and loads of stop losses as well, and this is what will help the price to push forward to $43,000. Why we know there is loads of stop losses right here? Well, we have some on-chain data which we have been analyzing with the Paradise team, and also you can take a look at the sentiment. You can see the sentiment is still at 485 points, and as I've been talking in the previous videos, you know exactly what's happening here, right? The sentiment is bearish, however the price is going up. The sentiment going down, the price is going up. This is a disbelief, really. I've been talking about it as well. So what is going to happen? We cannot push the price down, there is not enough liquidity. So we need to keep pushing the price to the upside. We need to manifest the demand, okay? People start to believe in that move, and once the sentiment starts to crossing the white line, this is going to be the time when the whales, the big players, will say, okay, there is enough liquidity right now, we can push the price down. And that is why most of the people are buying the top and selling the lows. It's just psychology, okay? So this is going to happen again. It's just cycles. It is going to happen again. Right now we can take a look at the funding rates. We can see Binance is still neutral, which is a great sign. However, we have some exchanges where there is actually some crypto moves trying to get rich quick, so they are opening over leverage longs, right? And these needs to be liquidated as well. So this move is not going to be smoothly just straight line to the upside. It will be zigzag, right? So we can basically get rid of that crypto noobs who are trying to get rich quick with over leverage positions and they don't know how to play with it. So right now we are overcoming this major lower time frame resistance. If you zoom out a little bit, you can actually see that we are starting to building some consolidation about this level, so I can actually turn it green already, because this level is turning into really powerful support zone. And right now I expect that we will be forming some bullish formation here. It might be again some triple bottom or double bottom. Let's see what we will have. It can be some ascending channel as well. We will see some consolidation will happen, and then we will be able to break to the upside as well. So on lower time frame we are switching this $36,500 into a support. On higher time frame, on the medium time frame, we are right now breaking through this bullish pennant formation. So what is happening right now, we are going towards the $38,000 liquidity pool. Where are these liquidation levels, these stop losses of the short orders which have been building right here? From the previous video I have been talking about that, because the sentiment was still bearish. There was some on-chain data that retail is entering short positions. So at around $35,000 there have been loads of short opening, and right now we are trying to liquidate them, right? So most of these stop losses are positioned above the $38,000 mark, and we are about to get them triggered very soon. As you know also from our previous video, I have been talking about that CME futures gap, that it was closed, and we have been actually turning that into support. That's why I have marked already this zone into green, right? And we are beautifully moving above that zone right now, and we are heading to the upside. So it turned into support absolutely beautifully. As you know also, I've been sharing with you the institutions short positions, they are keep closing them, and they are absolutely at the bottom, you know, minus 12% just today. So that's also really great sign. And I've been also talking about the total free, the total market cap exclude Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is basically a market cap of altcoins, and as you can see, we are gaining volume, we are gaining more and more volume. We are targeting actually $610 billion, and it's already visible on our results in Paradise Family VIP. We are really positioning ourselves in altcoins as much as possible, only in these powerful altcoins, like for example WET. This was a signal we have shared with our Paradise Family VIPs 6 days ago. So we have taken profit without leverage, as you can see, for 18%, and we are positioned in many more altcoins, and we keep on grinding our exposure higher and higher. We are diversifying our portfolio into the strongest altcoins, and this really is going to be absolutely amazing. Not just because the sentiment is still in absolute disbelief, so they will be in fear of missing out buying higher, but also this is just a beginning, and we are getting already absolutely amazing gains. And you know, we are targeting that $610 billion mark. So this altcoin season is going to be absolutely amazing for those who are ready for it. Ladies and gentlemen, I will be in the upcoming videos updating you about this bullish pennant formation, about the sell limit orders of these short positions, which will help us to move the price towards $43,000 mark. So if you want to be updated in real time about what is going to happen next in Bitcoin, make sure you are subscribed to this channel, turn the notification bell on. If you are ready to start trading like a professional, I will see you in ParadiseTeam VIP, or join the free Telegram channels, which are amazing and very helpful as well. This was Simon from the Paradise team, and I will see you next time. Cheers.